Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time I came up with another video. In this video I'm going to show you the chain clean spray. I have bought it from the Amazon, and actually in this video I'm going to also show you how you can clean the chain of your bike. I have a Bullet 350 standard black variant up to a 2040 model, and I'm going to show you how to clean the chain and how to do the chain loop. So for the chain loop I do have a Motul chain loop. So now without wasting any further time, let's get started. So now I'm unboxing this packaging from the Amazon. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. So guys, you can see this product which I bought from Amazon. Actually I got it just for 150 rupee only, because I searched for the Motul chain cleaner, but it is a costlier. It is costlier than 250 to 300 rupees, and this is also a good company's chain cleaner. So I will show you that which is that chain cleaner. So let me take it out first, and then I will show you the chain cleaner. And you can see this is the chain cleaner. So you can see the company of this chain killer. You can see this is the company, that is the Yamaha company's chain killer, and net quality of is 120 ml. Yamaha company's chain clean. So let me also open this also, so you can see entirely of this. So friends, don't go away. I'm going to show you how you can use this product on your open chain bike and how you can going to clean your chain. So friends, you can see here a Yamalube. So let's go to the bike and I will show you how to apply it on the bike.